Okay guys, this is part 2 of the disassembly of the Xbox 360 Elite, and I am repairing the disk drive in this model. If you have any more questions about it, just message me. If you have any more questions about disassembling, just go back to my last video and you'll get that. So right here I am removing the cover. What you're going to want to do is take the lower part of the front and then pull up, and it'll slide off. No force really needed, and you'll have four Phillips head screws. So you've got one there, one there, one there, one there, corners. So you're going to want to get a Phillips head screwdriver. And last video I recommended a toolkit that came from Walmart, only $9 I believe. So I'm going to be removing these and with the screwdriver. So like I used the drill last time, like I said, if you're using it on the chassis, you're going to want to not use a drill. So don't use the drill on this one. Sorry for the wobbleness. I have my tripod sitting on my table, so I am kind of rocking the table here. And also trying to keep the drive in your guys' view. So I'm using a small Phillips head on this, which I should be using a little bit bigger because it's kind of moving. And my last screw. And after that, you're going to be able to remove the bottom. Just take the top like that, pull up on it, and then the back has this little thing in between the plugs. Just push up on that, and you should be able to get the bottom plate off. There's the bottom plate. Set it to your side, somewhere safe so you don't lose it. And then you should have the top casing. You're going to want to take onto the legs, and then hold onto the legs and pull up on it. Make sure you hold onto the legs, not the mechanicals and stuff like that. That's very important not to hurt those. Set that to your side. We can get to that later. Here's your drive. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adjusting the two screws right there. You're not going to want to touch the lens whatsoever unless you have alcohol and a Q-tip just to touch it and clean it. That's one thing you want to do first before you even adjust the power to the lens, and then pretty much that's what I'm going to be doing. Sorry for the shakiness. I zoomed in on the two screws right here. I'm going to move the light a little bit closer here so I can see it a little bit easier, and hopefully you can too, and it looks like you can. I have a small little flathead screwdriver. Hopefully this will work. Let me take a look real quick. This will work. What you're going to want to do is move it counterclockwise just a tiny little bit. But what this does is increases the voltage. So what I'm going to do is move it just a tiny little bit. And watch I did there. And I barely moved it even. I think I moved it around a tenth. So that's how much I moved it, and hopefully that right there did it. And if it didn't, just continue doing that and it should work after that. And if I failed on this one, I will go ahead and do it off video and I will show you my results. One thing I want to show you before I test it and everything, I want to show you how to temporarily reassemble it. You do not need the chassis for the disk drive. So what you're going to want to do is just normally plug it in like you would if you had the chassis on, and you're going to reassemble it. This is just for testing. And you lightly put it back in there. So I have it now put together, and what you're going to want to do is go ahead and plug in your power, and you're also going to want to plug in your video. So once you have that done, you're going to want to probably remove this. It just pops off easily. It's the 4-light assembly the lights are behind it. That just lightens it up a little bit more. You press the power button. Power's up. Do not look at the lens. No matter what, do not look at the lens. I'm not responsible for any injuries that happen in this during this tutorial for you or me. Well, actually, I am responsible for me, but okay. You come to your menu. You go to your open tray. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your top part of your chassis for your DVD drive. You're going to want to slide that on top. Keep that there, and then open your tray. You take your game, you pop it inside your drive, load it in, and hopefully it reads. And I think we might have a winner here. It's making a lot of noise. And I don't think we have a winner unless it automatically reads and opens. It's speeding up quite fast. And we got a winner. I successfully repaired the DVD drive on this Xbox 360. Hopefully it lasts a while. Well, all I did is increase the voltage by 1/10 of the screw at its current point, and that right there, make sure you turn it counterclockwise. That increases the power of the lens, which reads the disc, and it will read the disc. Make sure you do not touch the spindle that is currently spinning at a very high rate. I don't know what RPM that the motor of a disc drive spins, but it spins pretty fast. That's all I have to say. So after you're done with this, all you're going to want to do is just reverse what you did, disassembling it, and then reassemble it, which is pretty much what I just said. And then you should have a working Xbox. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.